Hello, friends. Welcome to this crazy love story. Today, we'll learn English with fun. This story is full of emotion and laughter. Use short lines. Speak with me step by step. Repeat the lines after me, like practice. Let's start this amazing journey together. If this made you smile or cry, give it a like, comment, ring the bell, and share it with the world.
I work in a flower shop. One day, I got a letter. It was a wedding invitation. My best friend Emily was getting married. She was so happy. I was excited too. Emily is marrying Ryan, I said. But I had never met Ryan. I only saw his picture. He looked nice and handsome. I was happy for Emily. I got a new dress for the wedding. I was ready to go. The wedding day came. The sun was shining. Flowers were everywhere. Everyone was smiling. Emily looked like a princess. Her dress was white and beautiful. She held Ryan's hand. I looked at Ryan closely. Something felt strange. Is this the same guy from the photo? I thought. But I said nothing. After the wedding, we had dinner. That's when it happened. I went to the food table. I saw someone there. He looked like Ryan. But he was wearing jeans, not a suit. He looked at me and smiled. "Hi, I'm Ryan," he said. I froze. "What?" I whispered. "You're Ryan." "Yes," he said. "Emily's husband." "No," I said. "You're not wearing a suit." "I'm not the groom," he said. "I'm Brian, Ryan's twin brother." My heart dropped. Tibio brothers, identical twins, same face, same voice, same smile. No one told me this, I screamed inside. I looked at the groom again. Was that Ryan or Brian? Did Emily marry the wrong guy? Or did I make a mistake? I ran to Emily. "Emily," I shouted, "did you know Ryan has a twin?" She laughed. "Yes, of course," she said. "Wait, you didn't know?" "No," I said. "No one told me." I felt like a fool. I thought she married the wrong man, but I was wrong. Everything was fine. Emily hugged me. "You're so dramatic, Maya," she said. I laughed and cried at the same time. I sat outside, drinking juice. Then someone sat next to me. It was Brian, the twin. He smiled again. "I scared you, didn't I?" he said. "A little," I said. "You're very funny," he said. We talked for hours. We laughed a lot. He told me about his job. He loved books and dogs, just like me. The wedding ended. Emily and Ryan left for their honeymoon. I stayed behind. Brian stayed too. We went for ice cream. We watched movies. We walked in the park. Day by day, we got close. One day, he said, "Maya, I like you." I smiled and said, "I like you too." 1 year passed. I was standing in a white dress. This time, I was the bride. I looked at Brian. He looked like Ryan, but he was my Brian. I whispered, "I married the right twin." He laughed and said, "Oops, you almost didn't." Brian and I got married. It was a small, sweet wedding. Flowers, music, cake, and love. We planned our honeymoon. We were going to Hawaii. Beach, palm trees, and ocean breeze. "I can't believe I'm your wife," I said. He smiled. "And I can't believe I married the drama queen." I hit his arm playfully. We laughed together. We packed our bags, passport, sunglasses, romance. We reached the airport. It was crowded and loud. I held Brian's hand. "Let's get some coffee," I said. We stood in line. A man behind us said, "Hey, Ryan, long time!" Brian looked confused. "I'm Brian," he replied. The man said, "Oops, sorry." "You guys look the same." Again. Same problem. Everyone mistook him for his twin. I whispered, maybe we need shirts that say, I'm Brian. He laughed. Good idea. Seafood. I didn't order this, he said. The server checked. It's for Mr. Ryan, room 403. We were in 403. Another mix-up! Your twin is haunting our honeymoon! I joked. Brian called the kitchen. Send something mild. And for Brian, not Ryan. We both laughed. That night, he said, I love being married to you, even with all the twin drama. Next day, we rented a scooter. Brian drove. I held him tightly. We rode through the hills. It was sunny and peaceful. Then, boom, a tire burst. We screamed. Brian lost balance. We fell into a bush. Are you okay? He asked. I had leaves in my hair. I looked like a salad. We both laughed hard. That was wild, I said. He kissed my forehead. You're my wild wife. That night, we went to dinner. It was a beach restaurant. Candles, soft music, and seafood. We ordered grilled shrimp. It looked perfect. Brian took one bite. Then his eyes went wide. I'm allergic to shrimp. Oh no, I said. He drank water. His lips were puffy. We rushed to the hotel. The doctor gave him medicine. Next morning, I said, from now on, no seafood. He nodded. Only sandwiches and your smile. While we sat by the pool, Brian's phone rang. It was Ryan. Hey bro, how's the honeymoon? Great, full of drama, Brian said. I heard someone thought you were me again. Ryan laughed. I took the phone. Your brother's a magnet for disaster, Ryan said. That's why I let him go first. We all laughed. Suddenly, I thought life is better when it's not perfect. It's better when it's real. We watched the sunset. The sky turned orange and pink. Waves kissed the shore. Brian held my hand. Maya, he said, even with all the mistakes and madness, you're the best thing in my life. I smiled. You're not perfect, but you're perfectly mine. He kissed me. That night, we didn't need music. The waves sang for us, and the stars watched in silence.